Hello there, and welcome to another informative tutorial by Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect the Haylou Smart Watch to your iPhone 16. To connect a smartwatch, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, access the App Store and search for Haylou Fun app. Now, tap on the result here to access the app's page. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. So, I am going to tap open it from here. On the app's home screen, your smartwatch will appear once connected. To add a smartwatch, tap on the plus icon on the top right and select Scan. Now here, scan the QR code appearing on your Haylou smartwatch. Once connected, tap here to easily access and change watch face and other settings. You can also see daily activity and exercise record from your smartwatch here on the app's home screen. And that's it. This is how to connect Haylou smartwatch to iPhone 16. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates on your favorite tech.